So which is student? Correct option is DBCA. Option number A is correct, student. Why we have taken student? Neon and sodium, don't get confused. Neon is the zero group element and they are having almost zero electron gain enthalpy. Now let us move, student. Question number 37. So if you are going 37, regarding the electron affinity, the no, wrong statement. The EA of Cl is more than the fluorine. Electron gain enthalpy, that is correct one. They are wrong. Say EA of sulfur is more than phosphorus. If you, they are saying EA of sulfur is more than phosphorus, that is also correct. EA of silicon is more than carbon. The EA of neon is more than fluorine. No. EA of neon is, if you saw na, electron affinity of neon is, student, almost zero. A noble gas almost zero, or that is positive value. So this is the wrong statement, student. This is, so required option is option number D. Next one, an elements X has IP, this one, kilojoule per mole. You need to keep in mind, student. If electron volt is there, that is divided, this will be correct. Okay, but here what is there, student? What is there? If you see, what are the power they have mentioned here? Divide. What is there? So there. What is the? Let us read little bit more, student. So that is A element, the X IP this much mole and EA this much. Then electronegativity. So both we have to add it out, student. If you are adding both, so divided by kilojoule per mole is there. So we have divided by 544. If you have to divide by 544. So that is correct option is, if you are adding out, and that the correct option is, this is option number 1. Next question number 39. The electron affinity of chlorine is 3.7. How much energy kilocalorie is released when 2 gram of chlorine is completely converted to Cl minus ion in gaseous state? Okay, so 1 electron volt they have given 23.06 kilocalorie per mole, right, student? So what is happening? Cl is there, it is taking electron Cl minus. So electron affinity is given 3.7 electron volt. This convert into kilojoule, convert into kilojoule. So how much 3.7 into converting in kilojoule? So they have given 1 electron will equal to 23.06. So 23.06 kilocalorie. So how much is coming, student? Or let it be like that. Okay, so students, so they are saying that is Cl. If you see Cl plus electron, so Cl minus how much? 35.5 gram is converting into Cl minus. So how much using this much of energy? So this is using how much? 3.7 into 23.06. Okay, so if you are calculating, therefore if you are calculating 2 gram, they are asking for the how many gram, student? 2 gram. So 2 gram, for 2 gram how can you do, student? For 2 gram, so 3.7 is into 23.06. Okay, multiply by 2 grams, so 2 divided by 35.5. So how much is coming, student? 4.8 kilocalorie. So you can match with, student, 4.8 kilocalorie. Option number 1 is the correct answer, student. Now let us move next question, student. What is the next question? Question number 40. So what is this? Any other problem are there? This is 40. Electron affinity of fluorine is less than that of chlorine. Yeah, due to repulsion. This is exceptional. Already we have explained. So electron affinity of fluorine is less than chlorine. That is correct one. And next one, chlorine can accommodate an electron utilizing 3d orbital. That is also both are correct, student. After 3p, 3d orbital comes. So both statements are correct, student. That is the option, 1 and 2 are correct. Next 41. The second electron affinity of oxygen is endothermic. Correct one. Second electron affinity is always endothermic. Oxygen is the second highest electronegative. That is after fluorine, oxygen is second electronegative element. Both are correct. So correct option is option number A, student. 1 and 2 both are correct statement. Now what they are saying, valency, oxidation state, nature of oxide and diagonal relationship. In which group all the elements do not have same number of valence electron? So zero group is having, student, do not have the same number of valence electron. Okay, so 42 correct option will be, required option will be option. In which group the elements do not have the same number of valence electron? means that is same number of valence electron they are not having, student. So group number, what is their group number? If you see 18, 0 group. So valence electron, if you talk about the 2, then 8. Helium, if is helium is 2, then neon is 10, argon is 8. 8 valence electron. So this is the 2. So that is the wrong statement, student. So here is 0 group is having not same number of valence electron. One is helium is 2 valence electron, and neon and argon are 8 valence electron, student. Next one is among Na2O, MgO, Al2O, P2O5, the most basic, most acidic, most amphoteric oxide, right? So left to right, acidic increases, okay. So acidic increases, what are the options, student? You see, so that is sodium, then magnesium, then aluminum, okay, and then phosphorus, and then chlorine. So this is the acidic, and this is the basic. So what they are saying, the student, that is most basic. So which one is most basic, student? Most basic is Na2O, and then most acidic, what will come most acidic? So most acidic Cl2O7, this one chlorine, so Cl2O7, and then amphoteric means what is, these are there, MgAlO. So that is Al2O3 is amphoteric, Al2O3. So next one is what is Al2O3. So we have to check with the option, student. Na2O, which is the A number, Cl2O7, that is E number, and Al2O3, that is C number, AEC. So AEC, which number? AEC. So correct option is option number 3rd, AEC. Correct option, question number 43, option number 3rd is correct. Question number 44. Beryllium shows the diagonal relationship. With aluminum. Which of the following similarities is incorrect? Incorrect similarities they are asking, not the correct similarities. So student, we know diagonal relationship, that is lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon are there. They are the matching with the other, sodium, calcium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus. So they are diagonally having the similar properties. These are. So what is that they are having? B2C like Al2C3, Al4C3, yield methane on hydrolysis. Correct option. Be like Al render the passive. Correct option. BeOH twice like AlOH like basic. No, student, this is the amphoteric. So question number, if you are going 44, student, question number 44. So this is the wrong answer, student. This is the incorrect. Question number 44. The option required option will be, student, option number 3. These are berylate and aluminum foil element. These all 3 are correct, but option number 3 is wrong. Question number 45. If you are going, an atom of element has electronic configuration 281. Which of the following statement is correct? 281 means group number 1. So the element valency is 7. No, valency is 1. The element exists as a diatomic. No, that is group 1 element is the monoatomic. And they are asking correct statement. The element is non-metallic in nature. No, group 1 is metallic. Okay, metallic. Next one is that the element form basic oxide. That is okay. Metal oxide or basic. So correct option is option number 4. Next one, question number 46. The outermost electronic configuration of most electropositive elements, student. So that is NS1. NS1. That is group 1 elements are electropositive. So this is group 1. 1 electron means group 1. And this is group number 2. And this is group number, how much, student? Group number 5. And this is group number 14, I think 14. Group number 17. So that is most electropositive will represent option number 1. Pair of ion with similar polarizing power. So that is based on diagonal relationship. If you are talking about lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon. So this is having the similar properties with this, and this with. So which one is the lithium plus is having the similar properties with magnesium. So lithium plus is magnesium 2 plus. So correct option is option number 2. These all are wrong, student. Next one, question number 48. Beryllium and aluminum have similar properties. Beryllium and aluminum have similar properties. Beryllium and aluminum, you see beryllium and aluminum element diagonal relationship, correct one. Cation of beryllium and aluminum have same polarizing, that is also almost correct option, student, you know. So same polar, because diagonally related element have similar property, so both are correct, students. So option number both 1 and 2 are correct, so correct option is option number 1. This is all about the answers, student. Option level 2 question I solved, and level 1 already all question already solved. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Okay, keep solving.